Welcome to my final More Report Charter Pros on Wednesday the 27th of April with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at this gold chart, and we're still stuck in this range, aren't we, on gold? This medium term range, still moving sideways. You've seen in the last couple of days a very slight uptick in sentiment. Couple of mildly positive candles. Momentum indicators basically bang on neutral, really, aren't they? A couple of mildly positive candles have just improved the sentiment slightly. We're back above the 1243 pivot line, which is interesting, because that reopens the upside again, I think. Now, the initial resistance is this 1252.60, which I'll get the crosshair, you can see it better. 52.60, which is that reaction high that we saw on Friday last week. But subsequently, you're really sort of dealing with 1260 area, I think, which is where the resistance really starts to come in. 1270 was that spike high that we saw middle of last week. But I think you're sort of now possibly moving out to. It's interesting because a rising gold price generally tends to come with a weaker dollar. You've had a weaker bit of dollar weakness in the last couple of days, and that has helped to support this gold price. And push higher. Now, that is coming in front of the Fed meeting, which is again interesting. So the outlook moving into this Fed meeting is mildly positive within this range, but ultimately we are still trading within this range, and I think we're going to continue to do so. I don't think this Fed meeting is going to make any difference whatsoever to this range. You might see a mild strengthening if the Fed doesn't change much of the language. On the statement, you might see a mild strengthening. I mean, the gold price tends to be fairly volatile on the FOMC, so you could see a bit of movement. As I said, mild strengthening, but every time we get towards sort of 1260 area, which is where this blue line is, you sort of see the resistance coming in, you see the selling pressure, with the gold bugs being unable to really gain and maintain that traction. So moving into the FOMC, very mild positive bias within the range, but nothing really to sort of hang your hat on anyway. So I wish you good luck in your trading, whatever you're doing today for the FOMC, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.